In this video, you'll learn how to use 5 and 10-liter bioprocess containers of the Gibco CTS OpTmizer family of serum-free media with a Thermo Scientific 50-liter single-use bioreactor. As more and more cell therapies approach the approval stage, manufacturing processes are being scaled out and up, requiring higher volumes of media. When scaling up to meet the needs of larger bioreactors, it may be impractical to use 1-liter bioprocessing containers or BPCs of media. Doing so requires media pooling and a transfer assembly. And because multiple open steps are needed to add supplements and complete the media, there's a greater chance of contamination. That's why the Thermo Scientific brand introduced 5 and 10-liter BPC sizes of Gibco CTS OpTmizer T-cell expansion serum-free medium and Gibco CTS OpTmizer Pro serum-free medium. With expanded BPC size options, you can reduce the number of contamination risks and open steps. The 5 and 10-liter media quantities have a 1-year shelf life, enabling stock consolidation and facilitating supply chain management. In addition, these volumes are compatible with automated systems such as the Gibco CTS DynaSelect magnetic separation system and the Gibco CTS Rotea centrifugation system. The 5 and 10-liter BPCs are compatible with aseptic welders for both PVC and C-flex tubing, which are industry standards for cell therapy and biomanufacturing, respectively. The supplement for CTS OpTmizer media comes in a BPC to eliminate manual spiking steps, helping you form a sterile connection directly to the medium. The 2 user lines, one made of PVC and the other of C-flex, enable these sterile connections to your cell therapy equipment. All supplements can be directly added to the media BPC via a peristaltic pump or the gravity feed. If a precise supplement addition is required, media BPCs can be weighed during the supplementation process. Here, you can see how the media is mixed and the supplement bag weld is added. You'll need to repeat these steps as needed to complete your media. Finally, you'll weld off the final supplement bag and connect it to the reactor feed line. In this example, we're using the 50-liter Thermo Scientific single-use bioreactor with a 10-liter BPC of CTS OpTmizer T-cell expansion serum-free medium. The 5 and 10-liter BPCs of media allow for consistent and easy transfer from clinical applications to commercial cell therapy manufacturing. Learn more about these new sizes at thermofisher.com/CTS media.